All right, hello everyone. So I'm sending out my Valentine's Day mega box. So this is for someone special. I don't know who they're sending it to, but this is a cute little sign that comes with. So let's pack it. So for the next couple of days, I'm gonna have this mega box on sale. I ship it every single day, so you'll have it in time for whoever you want to send it to, or if you want to keep it for yourself. So let's pack it. So I'm gonna add this pink paper. I think I'll add 2 just to give it some volume. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add is the turmeric and citrus brightening body wash. This is made with 7 oils that all help to brighten your skin. So this is the first one. Then I'm gonna pack, I wanna make sure this all could fit in here. My Chubby shampoo bar. So this is made with 20 oils and 20 different ingredients to help grow your hair, strengthen your hair, including, I'll name a few: moringa powder, castor oil, black castor oil, sage, clove, thyme, a bunch of stuff. So this is here. So that's that. And the next item is my Vanilla Mist, the Vanilla Mint Bliss massage bar. And this is strictly to help you relax after a long day. It's also made with essential oils. By the way, all of my soaps are made with essential oils. So this you use to massage your skin. And the shampoo bar is also a massage bar, so you can massage your scalp. So this is the next item. I'm gonna have to figure out how to pack this. And then I have my activated charcoal detoxifying soap bar. So that here. And my papaya and carrot brightening soap bar. So you have a detoxifying and a brightening. And finally, I'm gonna pack this 3-piece soap accessories kit. It comes with an exfoliating glove, a soap saver, and a soap tray. So that's that. So this is a special gift for someone. You know what? I'm gonna have to repack this, make it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, I didn't expect that, but I want to make sure that this person, their gift is like super presentable and sweet and cute. So I'm gonna end this video and repack it, but here's how it looks. And I know whoever's gonna get this is gonna love it. So make sure you get it before Valentine's Day. Again, I ship every day. Bye. Okay guys, it took a second, but I figured out how to pack it. So I have the body wash, my 2 soaps, shampoo bar, and then I'm gonna put this here. And then that is gonna go on top. I'll show you the finished results in a second.